Hi everyone, I am Derek Vincent Audalida and welcome to my electrostatic vlog. Today, we're going to explore how static electricity works by doing a simple but amazing experiment called the magic moving foil boat. Static electricity happens when electrons build up on the surface of an object. When two objects have different charges, they attract or repel. Today, we'll see how a charge ruler can attract foil boat without any physical contact. Did you know, static electricity is the same thing that makes your hair stand after rubbing a comb, or causes tiny shocks when you touch a doorknob? Electrostatics is used in many machines. One example is the electrostatic air purifier, which uses charged plates to trap dust particles. To summarize, the foil boat moved because of the charged plastic roller that created an electrostatic force that pulled the foil toward it. This demonstrated how static electricity is produced, how charged objects interact, and how you can observe attraction, a simple setup. I hope this experiment helped you understand electrostatic in a fun and easy way. Try it at home and comment your results. Thanks for watching!